welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday morning. Actually, it's not morning, it's like 1 p.m. now. We're starving. We're gonna make some pancakes out of the leftover almond pulp from the almond milk that I made last time. The first thing we're gonna do is preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You're probably wondering why I'm preheating the oven for pancakes. Well, all the pancakes that we try to make pretty much on our pans, they all get stuck to the pans. I like baking them because you don't have to like stand there and flip them, and like there's not a lot of smoke and stuff in the house. And two, no oil needed. So I already just prepped the pans with parchment paper. Yeah, this is about 3 cups almond pulp. So we're just gonna throw that in here. This might be a lot. So I never really measure, so why is it spilling everywhere? We're gonna put in our dates. These were in the fridge, but it's so much better if they could like be in room temp because they take a long time to blend, and it sounds a little scary if they're coming straight out of the fridge. It's about this kind of consistency now. The blueberries we're actually gonna put in after it's done blending so that when you bake them, they'll be like nice gooey little blueberry chunks in there. Okay, so I forgot to put in the blueberries. The blueberries, I threw them in the freezer, and so I forgot to mix them in. But it's okay, we're gonna make it all work. So instead, I'm just gonna add the blueberries on top. If you could see, like the bottom is like nice and firm. So yeah, they look like cookies, but they're like a texture in between cookies and pancakes. But I like them like this. So the coconut whipped cream I'm gonna make is super easy. You're gonna need just 2 ingredients: full fat canned coconut milk. You basically just wanna find one that has the most creamiest coconut milk. And every brand is gonna vary. Like the Thai Kitchen brand is like all watery, and you don't want that one. The 365 is pretty good. And the second ingredient you're gonna need is maple syrup. So you're gonna wanna take out the cream that's sitting on the top. Okay. It's so good. Ooh, blueberry squirt. Amazing. Hey guys, so it's a new day and I'm gonna show you 2 more recipes that you can make with the leftover almond pulp. One is going to be protein balls and the other one is some cookies. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to pit and blend these dates so I can use it as the sweetener for the protein balls and the cookies. Still very sweet. So I'm gonna use half of the almond pulp for the protein balls and the other half for the cookies. So I'm gonna make peanut butter walnut cookies. I'm just gonna finish these chocolate chips that I have. They do have sugar in them, cane sugar. I wish they didn't, but I'm just trying to finish them because I've had them for like a long time now. They don't go bad quickly. They're still good. I just don't buy any more like chocolate that has cane sugar. I believe half of a fourth would be an eighth. I'm getting so much better at math from all this baking I'm doing. Walnuts are so good for your brain health as well. I feel like that's why they kind of look like a brain. It actually doesn't taste that sweet. I think just all the other ingredients kind of like overpower the dates. So I'm thinking I'll just use half a cup of maple syrup. When you bake, it like tends to get very, what is it called? Like the sweetness dissipates when you bake, when you put heat in it. So you want it to taste really sweet raw before you bake it, so that when it comes out baked, it still has some sweetness in it. Yeah, I know this seems like a lot. I'm not gonna have the whole batch myself. Maybe. Okay. I just want to say that the cookie dough tastes so good on its own. I'm just gonna finish making the protein balls now. Cookies are done, protein balls are done. I'm done. Gotta clean as you go. They taste really good. They taste like, kind of like cereal. I can't think of what cereal. It reminds me of some cereal I used to eat, but they're like definitely like breakfast balls. I'll probably have one before I like go for a run or work out in the morning. Like it's perfect. It's only dates in here that make it sweet. It's like just the right amount. Really healthy. Yay! So it's time to try the cookies. They're like perfect. It's like I said, if you take them out before they're fully dry, by the time it fully dries, it's like the perfect texture. I've made cookies before with oats and it was way too dry, so the almond pulp definitely helps with like the moistness it provides. It's still sweet, but it's not like overwhelming sweet. These are like some nice healthy, you know, healthier option of cookies. They're really good. You get like a little bit of banana, a little bit of chocolate in some bites, a little bit of walnut. It's just so good. Let's see what Bae thinks. Can you tell the camera that?
Hey, I'm not camera ready. No.
Babe says it's a 10 out of 10. So much you can do with almond pulp. Like all that leftover from making almond milk, don't let it go to waste. Yeah, please give this video a big like if you liked it. Subscribe if you would like to. Feel free to share it with somebody who also loves yummy, delicious treats. I will see you in my next video. There's a weird noise outside. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, And I can't. Okay. Take good care, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. I need to stop singing. Bye.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. 'Cause babe,